In rural town Muncie, Indiana, the MultiGP Drone Racing League holds the largest FPV gathering to date, the International Open. Pilots travel from around the world to the headquarters of the Academy of Model Aeronautics to fly first-person view racing alongside some of the best pilots in this young sport. The sizes of multi-rotors, or these aircrafts known as drones, range from all shapes and sizes. There are big drones, racing spec drones, micro, and tiny whoops. No matter what the size, each drone offers a first-person view directly from the cockpit to a set of goggles that transports the pilot on board for a thrilling adrenaline-pumped joyride. To coordinate such an event takes great teamwork, dedication, and leadership. Thankfully, there are many MultiGP chapter organizers around the world who have been running top-notch drone races throughout the year. Some of the best are here to volunteer their time to create a fun and educational environment that is necessary for the growth of future drone pilots. The average drone pilots are young, goal-oriented, and tech-savvy. They tend to enjoy the thrills and freedoms that FPV has to offer. The environment of a MultiGP event is family-friendly and usually has many extracurricular activities including soldering, 3D printing, and all varieties of competitive racing.